What is it like to work at an ice cream store?
I'd say like a lot of people are friendly. You meet a lot of really cool people. Everyone's always excited for the ice cream. Yeah, everyone comes from all over. It's pretty cool. And we are one of the only ice cream stores in this area, so we've got a lot of people coming in who are all like I said, super friendly. Everyone just has like really good energy. You meet new people, you see customers start to talk to each other, meet each other. It's kind of a cool experience.
What is so good about this ice cream?
Definitely that it's homemade. It's my favorite ice cream. I haven't bought a tub of ice cream from like a store since I started working here, and I definitely take home like a pint every other week. So
What's your favorite flavor?
the Bride of Frankenstein. So it's white chocolate chips, Heath Bar, and golden Oreos. It's really good.
Is it fun to work at an ice cream store?
Yeah, no, it's so much fun. It's really cool. I would love to learn how to make the ice cream, but we just make the waffle cones so far. But yeah, no, it's awesome. I love this place.